At the end of the day, a dump body is a dump body, and what makes it different is the durability. The company began operations in 1966, basically in the backyard in a little one-man shop.
One of the philosophies of Pat Godwin and the Godwin Group was to build the best.
And he's grown it into multiple companies.
We got 5 locations in 3 states.
Our goal is to be the innovators in our market.
We like to make sure competition's chasing us.
A customer should be asking for when they're looking for a dump body is what's going into it, how is it built?
Manufacturing is from start to finish, from fabrication to installation and delivery.
There are other companies that make abrasion-resistant steel, but it's not created equally.
All steel is not the same.
Hardox, to me, is the best material out there.
Because it's so significantly better than the other steels on the market.
Hardox material is a much stronger application.
We have used other brands before, but we always come back to Hardox.
It literally has driven a change in our industry.
They just took over the market because they outperformed everybody. The body, once it's put together, you never hear from it again.
Not only is it getting a bed that is 3 times stronger than what it used to be, it's actually 1,200 pounds lighter.
In our business, we are paid based on weight. So if we're able to have all the durability from the steel, while at the same time being able to load more product onto our truck, I mean, it's a win-win for us.
That means every single load he hauls, he can haul 1,200 pounds more.
In your mind, you kind of think, oh, it's stronger, it's going to be harder to work with, but that wasn't the case.
Hardox 500 tough, easy to cut, easy to bend, easy to weld.
All the Hardox we buy is made here in the United States.
Well, back in the early days before we started using SSAB product, heavier and thicker was better.
You had to support that floor as best as you could.
The philosophy was the heavier and sturdier the dump body, the better. Unfortunately, it was taking money out of the pockets of these operators because of the weight of the body. They were having to haul less and less.
You know, whether it's 1 extra load or 2 extra loads, I mean, it all adds up at the end of the year.
Well, now we can build bodies lighter and stronger than they have ever been before.
Godwin Group has a great relationship with Hardox and SSAB.
Hardox in my body is a serious statement. By joining forces with SSAB and having Hardox in our body, it means a lot to us because it enables us not to be complacent, and it allows us to be aggressive in our market.
Our minimum abrasion-resistant steel offering now is Hardox 500 tough.
So I'm getting 500 tough in my bodies, and so when you tell them yes and then they get it and the body has those stamps all in it, it's pretty exciting for them.
SSAB has been an amazing partner to work with.
We truly feel to our heart and core that our product offerings are the best on the market.
And that's one of the things that we're trying to strive to do at Godwin Manufacturing, the Godwin Group of companies, is be innovators in our industry. And we feel like SSAB has been an